Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have today, you see this pattern across the top of the box. Not really sure what it is. Along this side, you see it says Kyrie Irving. Now, flipping it to the other side, you got the Nike swoosh symbol. And then we flip it over again, you got the number 4. Which stands for Kyrie 4. Alright? So let's go ahead and get into it, man. What we have is the Kyrie 4 Lucky Charms. Now, I feel like falling off LeBron's coattail, man. But hey, what do I know? It is the Nike Kyrie 4 Lucky Charms. Now, when I first saw this shoe, I was like, oh man, what in the fuck is this? But seeing it in hand is not as bad as I thought it was. You know what I mean? So I passed judgment a little bit too quick on it. You know what I'm saying? So, looking at the outside of the shoe, I think it's kind of dope, man. It's growing on me a little bit. Now here's the bottom with the multicolor symbols and whatnot going on. You got Kyrie, well, you got number 11 under the bottom. I didn't show you, but it is what it is, man. There's a top view. There's a view from the back. There's that symbol. I call it the Kyrie, the earth is flat symbol. Because you know you're on that kick, so it is what it is, man. Now on the tongue of this left shoe, you have the Lucky Charm logo. Nice, big, and bright. Not hard to see. We try to give y'all a better look at it, man. It's been a long day, man, you know, so y'all gotta excuse me, man. There's a better look at it, man. You see the Lucky Charms logo. That's a nice little touch. You know, but I'm not really a fan of these, man. Now on the insole, it's covered with the actual picture of Lucky Charms. You got the Kyrie Irving signature at the heel part of the insole. And both of these insoles are the same. So, go figure with that. You can see your Lucky Charms, you got your marshmallows, your marshmallows, and everything else, man, you know. But enough of that, man. Let's get back to the kicks, man. So, I mean, I think it's an okay shoe, man. Like I said, it's growing on me a little bit to where I don't think it's as bad as I thought it was before, but it is what it is, man. You see the Kyrie Irving logo at the back and the bottom. It's nice, man. But I don't think I'm going to be picking these up, man. I'm going to pass on these, man. Now looking at the other shoe, there are a couple of differences. Now, for one, on the tongue, you got that Kyrie logo instead of the Lucky Charms logo. I mean, so it is what it is, man. Now let's find a few more differences. You can see the Lucky Charms printed along the back. See your speckles along the sole. I mean, I think it's a well put together shoe, man. I'm just not a fan of this model. You know what I mean? So it is what it is, man. I ain't really gonna go into it too much, man, but it's late, tired. Just wanted to put this video up for y'all right quick, man, because I know these came out, when was it? August 11, I believe. So I'm just letting y'all look at it, man. Maybe some of y'all didn't see it or whatever the case is, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. Now let me know in the comments what you think about the shoe. You feeling it, you're not? Think it's trash? I think it's trash. But I don't think it's as bad as what I originally thought it was. Now looking at the outside of the shoe, you got the different colors on each shoe down there on the sole, as you can see. There's a front view. I mean, it is what it is, man. You know, either you're a fan or you're not. You know what I'm saying? So let's look at them tongues. Let's look at the back. You got the two different logos. You got the Kyrie, the earth is flat, and the General Mills logo on the other foot. So I mean, all in all, man, I think it's a well put together shoe. I'm just not a fan of the model. You understand what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. And y'all, let me know in the comments what y'all think about the kicks, man. You know, like I said, I'm not a fan of them, so it is what it is, man. But that was my review of the Nike Kyrie 4 Lucky Charms. Make sure y'all go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Share this video, put your people on it, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get my subscribers up, man. And I'ma holler back.